Want free Telegram stars without getting scammed? In 60 seconds, I'll show you only legit, built-in methods, no shady bots, no fake generators. First, what are stars? They're Telegram's official currency to buy premium features, apps, games, and digital goods inside Telegram. Rule 1, if a site says, get unlimited free stars, just log in here, close it. That's a scam and can steal your account. Only trust stars that come from inside the Telegram app itself or from official mini apps. If it feels off, skip it. Now let's jump into the real ways to earn stars, completely free and totally safe. Grab your phone, open Telegram, and follow along step by step on screen. Step 1. Earn stars from official mini apps. On Telegram, tap the search bar and type stars or browse the games and mini apps section. Look for verified or popular mini apps that clearly show earn stars for tasks, like completing levels, daily check-ins, or simple actions. Step 2. Watch for official channel events. Some big Telegram channels and bots run legit giveaways or star rewards for in-app challenges. Step 3. Use referral programs when available. Some mini apps give you stars when friends join through your link, always inside Telegram, never external sites. Red flag checklist, no passwords, no phone codes, no asking you to pay first. If any offer breaks these rules, it's not legit Telegram stars. Summing up, stick to official mini apps, channel events, and referrals. Keep your login details private, and you'll earn free stars safely. Hit save and start exploring.